I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's daily review. Today is June 21st, Wednesday, 2023. So we have the bottom left here. We got this daily candle right here, and gap down, retrace back, came down, came back up, and then came down again and settled. So pretty much a bearish day, but a lot of both buying and selling. So now we've got this imbalance in between here in this candle, and we got news tomorrow. So again, I think the Feds are talking, and as you see here, 4 hour, we opened up, played around, we shot down in 6 a.m. I believe, and then we made a low, caught that buy up here, up to take out the liquidity right above there nicely, and then popped one more time to take liquidity and then sold off there. So let's go into and it's inside this imbalance, so this is a nice resistance level at the equilibrium there. And over here you'll see that the 1 hour, or I'll start with the 15-minute here, we opened up, came down, came up, didn't break that high, so they engineered that liquidity for later. Price shot down, and then over here you'll see on the 1 minute the 930 taking the price down, taking out liquidity right. If you look at the 1 hour here, took the liquidity right there first, then took that liquidity. See these two lows right here, higher lows right here, gun for that, and that was a good place to buy. So sure enough, over here price came down, came up, then took its own liquidity, its recent liquidity, one more time, and then in here he had a nice buy. Called this in the group live, and this was on I believe a 10-second to 30-second, I think it was 30-second, and nice pattern that we always trade right there. Do the research on that if you like. Price came up, and we're looking to take out liquidity, come up here. I took the trade to about here and was done. That wasn't sure if it was going to reverse on me, but sure enough, hit target beautifully, and then took a sell here, went for about 80 points, and saw it coming into a support level, a hard place to break through, and was out of that, and was done for the day. And I don't really trade the PM session, ended up turning around back to take out that liquidity. That was the nice sell here in the PM session, but I was done. But would have been nice to catch that as well. This went for over 100 points probably, so I definitely went over 100 points. This was this trade in itself was about 100 and I don't know, 40-50 points, so right here. But anyways, other than that, that was pretty much the day, and we got some liquidity in the top side, so we took that, and the reason why for the buy was we took some liquidity on the low side. So now on the top side, we've got this engineered high here, and came down for this low. So I'm assuming that we're gonna rush for this next level of liquidity, which would definitely be, I would just gonna move that right here, and that would make sense. And obviously if it goes through here, it'll probably take out that, right? So and on the top side, do they push the news up? I don't know, obviously, if they're going to get in higher here or not, but we're looking for lower prices still. But we have now this imbalance right here. So let me just mark that. Change this color. And we could consolidate here for a little bit too as well. Should be interesting. But obviously we're looking to break these lows here, but doesn't mean that it can't come up. But this looks like a nice leg building down. So do we pop up into here one more time? I'm assuming after we take some more liquidity though, and then shoot it back up, unless they shoot it back up first for the news tomorrow. So, and we got news on Friday, I believe, too. So look out for these levels here. And other than that, that's pretty much it. So you guys have a good day. Thanks. God bless.